I'm a very goofy girl and I make lots of people laugh. So she's like a true Bharatiya Nari jo aap kahenge. So I'm very excited about it. Happy to be working with John. He's an amazing co-star and a fabulous human being.
Hi Divya,
Hi,
welcome to Box Office India.
thank you.
So I think the last time when I met you was at T Series, and now after like 9, 10 months now I'm seeing you here. How have you been?
Yes, good, all fine.
So it's a celebration time for you because Besharam Be Wafa has done like 35 million. Wow. How are you
Thank
celebrating?
you. Actually, I'm just busy with work. There's no celebration happening as such. I've just been working. I've been shooting for Satyamev Jayate too. And then
Yeah.
like 3 days break I had. So I came back from Lucknow and the song was releasing. So I've just been like, into the interviews and all only. So I'm thankful and happy that everybody is loving it so much, the song and my performance and the storyline. So it was a different song for me because it was very intense and this
Yeah.
girl is a very flawed character and sometimes some situations come in our life जो कि बहुत हमारा mind हम पे हावी हो जाता है and we become out of control. So that's what she
Yeah.
becomes. So it was a different character for me to portray. So I'm happy that everyone is liking it and yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, your performance and because this was a very intense, like you said, and also because you've not done something like this before, so it's a different side of you that the audience and your fans are seeing. How difficult was it to do this, and how challenging was it? Because sometimes what happens, you take the character home. So was the hangover of this character with you?
See, for me, the most important thing, of course, is yes to become the character. Because when I become the character, then sometimes you would not have gone through what the character has gone through. Like I've never gone through a phase in life where I would feel like that, or
Hmm.
behave like the way she's behaving. So for me, yes, it was new, but at the same time, I'm a very emotional girl. So when once I became her, I could feel her emotions. I could, feel the pain she was going through and as an artist for me the most important thing is that I do whenever I'm given a brief by my directors is that I try to visualize this girl and become her, keeping in mind that she's nowhere a reflection of whatever work I've done before. Like in this girl you'll
Right.
not even see 1% of that sitara that you saw in Yaad Piya Ki, or that girl that I was in Teri Aankhon Mein, the song which just released before this.
Yeah.
So that is my work, and then once I become the character, then the emotions and everything flows according to what she's going through in life. So it took me like 2 days after that to get back because I was again in a very hectic phase of life. After we finished
Hmm.
shooting, I was like completely on the run and everything, and that time Teri Aankhon Mein had just got released when I was shooting this
Hmm.
song just one day before that. So and I had to be constantly on the run, so I didn't have much time कि मैं अपने grief mode में रहूँ और I have like the whole thing to come out of it. So I in
Right.
2 days I was out of it. Yeah.
Hmm. So you're experimenting with your characters, with your looks, and every music that you're coming with, every song that you're coming out. Now there's a movie coming out as well, and you're juggling between the music video and the film. So, what is the character like in Satyamay Jayate? Is it a reflection of whatever you have done in the past, or you're again doing something way different than that?
No, it's completely different from what I've done in the past, and I'm very excited for it because we've also been shooting this whole November. I've been shooting in Lucknow, and it's a row. I won't really tell you what she is in the film because that'll reveal it. But I
Yeah.
would say that my director Milab Zaveri told me that she's a very strong Indian woman, like and she's very like she's very dignified and she's very sensitive, strong yet sensitive, and so she's like a true Bharatiya Nari jo aap kahenge. So I'm very excited about it, and I'm so happy to be working with John. He's an amazing co-star and a fabulous human being, and we bonded really well on the set. So I'm excited for the audience to even see our chemistry because it's coming out really good in the film, and I really enjoy doing my scenes with him. Yeah, so.
No, Divya, you also had directed one film, and after
Two
that,
films.
two films. Sorry, you
Yeah.
also we were expecting you to do some more. So, do you think after a point you'll start directions again, or you have a story that you're waiting to tell the world?
Yes, I will. In fact, I keep working on scripts. I think that's what I keep doing. But I'll definitely get back to direction. But for right now, I'm concentrating on acting completely. So yeah, but eventually I will do it. Yeah.
Yeah, because your stories are very, very different than what we see usually. So you have a different perspective altogether. We all also
Hmm.
like to see that side of you as well because we are loving the what you're doing right now, but something more too we want to see from your end. Uh, Continuing on that note only, you have done music videos, you have done, you're doing films right now. But there's something, everyone wants to do, a character they think that they will do it brilliantly. What is that one thing that you want to do?
I think I would do comedy brilliantly because I'm a very goofy girl and I make lots of people laugh. So I think that's something which I feel I can do brilliantly. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Because people always take you as a shy, very soft, you hardly speak whenever
Yeah,
we all
when
tell.
I yes, I when I kind of when I kind of open up, then I completely open up and then I go crazy. Like I'm really goofy. Like for example, on my sets and all, like Radhika, Vinay, and even my co-actors and all, they all message me after the shoot got over. They're like, "You're so funny." So they're messaging me, "You made us laugh so much. You're so funny," and all of that. So.
Right.
uh,
All right. So, what is your favorite comedy film?
Favorite comedy film? Um, That's very difficult. There's so many films which make you really laugh. It really depends. Yeah, I can't remember anything right now.
Okay, all right. I'll let you go for that. But you do tell me when is that? When is the second part of Yaad Piya Ki will be out? Is there
Yeah,
anything
so
on the
this
cards?
question has been like each and everyone has asked me ki part two kab aayega yaad pe. In fact, we wanted to get part two out soon, but all this happened, all this pandemic and everything got so
Yeah.
ulta pulta. But abhi the song is ready, but yes, the storyline is still not ready. And I think I'll have to ask that question to my directors Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapru that when will part two come out? Yeah, because I think everybody's on
Um,
a cliffhanger waiting for it because
yes, yes. Because you had left us in a cliffhanger note that something is
yeah.
going to happen. To be continued was that was the thing that was shown in the end, and we all waited
Yeah.
for. Actually, I
Hmm.
think the last party was that the celebration of Yaad Piya Ki.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely. All right. Well, on that note, I will let you go. It was really lovely having a conversation with you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And keep showering such videos to us. We are loving it, whatever you're
Thank
doing.
you. I'm just
Music
thankful.
videos.
I would like to say that I'm really thankful for all the love because I've been getting like from Yaad Piya Ki across like 370 million views, and for me that was very important as an artist to be able to connect with the audience because I was performing like I had been behind the scene for the longest time, and then I was getting in front of the
Yeah,
camera. So I'm thankful to the audience for that. And then Teri Aankhon Mein also, which recently released, they
yeah.
connected so much, and it's crossed like 135 million views. So I'm really thankful because कोई ऐसा big artist नहीं था, in
Huh.
all of my songs. I had to shoulder them on my own shoulders. So a big thank you for all the love which you all give me, and which and always being so positive and lovely.
Right now, you're the big one in the music line when it comes to the music videos that you're coming. So people are only coming to see you and no one else in the video for sure.
That's so nice of you.
Thank you so much for doing this and hope to see you
Thank
soon.
you.
And let's
Thank you.
party because तीन party बचेगा फिर तीन back to back
Yes,
hits है, so you need to
yes,
pass the
yes,
rest on.
yes. For sure, for sure.
All right. Thank you so much, Divya. Take care.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye.